In this video, we will dive into the new sponsor brand theme-based keyword targeting, which I think can really help out your sponsored brand campaign's performance by leveraging the power of Amazon machine learning and also shopping insights. So if you're interested in learning how and what this new targeting option is in your Amazon advertising, stay tuned. I'm Rick Wong, an Amazon seller and also the founder of SellerMetrics, an Amazon marketing agency. If you're interested in content such as this one, where we do deep dives into the latest Amazon FBA news, tips, and hacks, I invite you to subscribe. Looking for the best Amazon selling information all in one place? Check out our seller repository, where we have the best practices, SOPs, and hacks all in your fingertips in an easy-to-follow guide. It's perfect for the sellers looking to upgrade their knowledge and also to train their VAs. You can make a copy on the link below. If you've been following my videos and content, I am a huge proponent of leveraging all your ad and target types that Amazon have on menu. So when something new comes out from Amazon advertising, I cannot help but to test it. So this new feature is a new targeting type, and to top it off, it is a dynamic targeting type. Just like auto campaigns in sponsored products and similar to advertised product, in your sponsored display, they allow Amazon to target different placement dynamically and also on different product display pages. And also, if it's like automatic targeting, you can also show up on keyword searches as well. So how can we actually incorporate this new feature into your sponsored brand campaigns? So you're going to go to create campaigns and you're going to create a sponsored brand campaign, and you'll find that the theme based targeting feature within the keyword target section once the keyword target is selected. In this section, at the top, you will see you can see in this section on the top, you will see targeting group. Here, you will see two new targeting types with a match type called theme. Okay, the first new targeting type is basically keywords related to your brand. So this targets a set of keywords often used to search for your brand or anything related to your brand. So I believe these are very similar a search term to the ones under your search query reporting under the brand analytics. So the second new targeting type is keyword related to your landing page. So what does it mean by landing page? So landing page is just like another term for your product display page. This particular targeting targets keywords driven to your product display page and therefore enhancing your product visibility. And my guess is that this probably works well when your product display page has already significant traffic into it. So I wouldn't really use this if it's like a completely new product. If that's the case, Amazon doesn't really have the data sufficient enough to put some relevant keywords into your product display page, or they're just going to put like a whole bunch of possibly irrelevant traffic into your product display page to find that relevant traffic. So you definitely don't want to do that on a new product launch or a new ASIN that you are just launching. Okay, so this new dynamic targeting type in sponsored brands is also worth noting that these are like keyword-based placements, and they will only show up on the keyword search results. Basically, they will just show up as like a sponsored brand banner if you do like the product collection ad. And then if I actually read on the specifics on these like two targeting options, I do get the impressions that keyword related to your landing page is probably the one that you want to run more, as it is more geared towards the more relevant keywords to your advertised products. While I would say like the keyword related to your brands would be more geared toward your branded search term based on the tests that I've done thus far. Okay, now let's talk about the results after implementing this theme-based targeting feature in my sponsored brand campaigns. I've observed that initially, the initial outcomes, I think the last maybe like 4 to 5 days, I've generated a few orders around like 45. It does indicate that there's a potential for, driving sales, not just like irrelevant traffic. However, I think, there is like definitely room for optimization, particularly with ACoS, which, there's a lot of room to reduce it and continue to refine target to improve overall performance. Basically, you could just optimize it very similar to like how you optimize your automatic campaign in sponsored brands. Another reason that I like this new theme-based targeting is the opportunity to harvest search terms now with sponsored brand campaigns. These are essentially like auto campaigns for sponsored products without the product targeting aspect to it, where you could like just pick off performing search term and just place them into your manual campaigns, whether it is sponsored brands or sponsored products as well. When you run this campaign, I really recommend you to really analyze the search term that comes out of it with these like theme-based targeting. This analysis can really help you identify which search terms lead to conversions and also inform you any additional data points that you could put as your negative keywords to continue to align and streamline and calibrate your theme-based campaign as you go. Another best practice I recommend is to create these new theme-based match types as their own standalone campaigns without commingling these new match types into your existing manual campaigns. Because the characteristics between the theme-based targeting match types and the existing match type, which is broad, phrase, and exact, is quite different. In conclusion, I encourage you to leverage these new theme-based targeting features for your sponsored brand campaigns, and with strategic adjustments along the way, this feature has the potential to boost your sales and potentially lower your costs and also collect very relevant data. If you have additional questions or assistance on these new theme-based targeting options within sponsored brand campaigns, feel free to reach out. Lastly, if you are an Amazon seller or a participant in the Amazon marketplace and want to grow your business, schedule a discovery call with me on the link below. We are an Amazon marketing agency that helps our client grow their business profitably. Until the next time, keep selling, keep hustling, and catch you on the next video. This is Rick signing off.